Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I'm here to show you some Happy Meal I got from Miss Lisa Conway. And I pre-opened the envelope, but I'm not going to show the front, so let's get this out of here. It was a book she was showing for classes that she's doing on her channel, and I will link her down below in the description box. Just give me a few minutes here. I'm gonna link her channel and her group in the description box below, or possibly in the comment section. I'm not sure yet. I just want to get some stuff off of there, and it's a class that she'll be doing, where she'll be doing some of the projects in this book here. Okay, so she asked who wanted the book, and I said I would take it because I want to learn how to do watercolor and do pictures and stuff like that. And she was kind enough to send it along to me. And on Monday night, April 25th, she showed the color wheel. Okay, so she showed this here, and I will be making this hopefully before the next class. We'll see. And these are some of the paints that the person that wrote the book used. I don't know if I have all of these paints here. We'll see what I have in watercolor. And then it goes to this, interpreting color, honoring physical space, honoring mental space, honoring emotional space. We're going to do all of this in her class. So I'm hoping to get at least 1 or 2 projects painted from this book during her classes. So Miss Lisa, again, thank you for sending me this book, and I will try to link everything down below in the comment section. So I will say this in closing: please be kind, be caring, be positive, be blessed, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye bye for now.